guess what I just did? So, I know viewers are seeing my video, right? Is that right? And, like, I already battled with all my monster trucks. And I need a racetrack. And I only bought one racetrack. So I just decided to do my own racetrack. And I also paint the Hot Wheels and everything. They're all downstairs. I'm going to bring them outside. Guys, I have no idea how dangerous is this. Guys, let me pause the video. Okay, guys, I got everything. Oh no. Oh. Guys, wait! Don't leave out of my channel. Still more. Okay, guys. You guys have to be ready. If you guys are ready, smash that subscribe button or like the video. I'm gonna count. And 3, 2, 1. Guys, this took 2 days to make this. But there's still more. Look at this, guys. I put even needles. So dangerous. I even crashed cars. And I even made a hoop. Look at this. I put a lot of hot glue. I'm almost done. Look at this. And right here inside of this tunnel, look all of that. Inside of there, I'm still not done. Like the Hot Wheels, I'm gonna try to make it pass through. Let's play a little bit. Like guys, can't you believe this? This is awesome. Guys, this is cool. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I'm like, this is dangerous, guys, so do not try this. I can only do this because I am not a little kid. And I'm not telling you guys are little kids. Just be careful. You could do this, but just ask your dad or your mom or something to help you. And this is all crushed. Yesterday, we were asking people like to crush it, please, and they did. My dad crushed it. Only one car said yes, but like the rest of them said no. Like, look at the window. I never done this before, and I also painted them. And like, let's try this out. Let's try the Hot Wheels section. 3, 2, 1. What happened? It almost made it! Yo! It almost made it. So this one didn't make it. Okay. Let's see if this one can make it. Wait. What? This one gets stuck easily. This one's big. Look at this. Oh, I just have no idea why I painted. Oh, but this paint goes like these are Hot Wheels. And these also work as Hot Wheels, which is even dangerous. Because the Hot Wheels break easily with like knives and everything. Like, look at this. Guys, this could go through. Like, look at this. It just made a hole. Could you guys see that? And also, but I could put and I'm still not done. And I also like paint from inside of here, guys. I'm not an artist. I'm just trying because I'm always bored, just vlogging. And look all of these tracks that I did. So what I did, I just put like brown paint, and I was driving it like right here. And when I was done, I washed the wheels because this paint can wash out. So if I want like a blue color, but I have a lot of blue colors, and if I don't want any more, then I can just wash it and just put a different color. And also, guys, I put like the says, I don't know why. I was gonna usually put like this cave right here, but the monster trucks just didn't fit in. So, guys, let me pause the video for a little. Okay, guys, I'm done. So I was gonna say is I'm still not done, and I'm gonna probably post the other video to like when I'm done. I'm gonna post another video if I'm done, but I'm still not done recording, guys. Let's have some fun, guys. Look at this danger zone. This is a complete danger zone. Guys, look at this. Look. Get marked. Get set. Go. Oh, like it flipped over. Like the thing is, guys, this is dangerous. I mean, you could do this, but just don't put like the dangerous stuff. I'm doing this for you guys, okay? I'm doing this. Get inside. Let's see if you guys could catch it. Okay, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, I got stuck. 3, 2, 1. Then it got stuck. Guys, where is it? Guys, you can't like it. Oh, it made it! But it just hit my phone. Wow. And this is also my favorite car, and this is also like the powerful car. This goes fast, like look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's see this. 3, 2, 1. Like, look at this. I just like this, and I also paint the wheels, and I also paint on my my race car, I forgot my ramp, like the halls where it can go like that, because I just needed I just needed art. So you guys could do this, but you just have to get all of these ingredients. And this, look at this, guys. This bucket, you guys have to get a small bucket. Okay, I have no idea, but it could be big, small, and I had a small one because I couldn't find a big one. I wanted to find a big one. You can do this, but you just have to cut a hole in the bottom, and you just have to get box for it and just put it like this, hot glue it and everything. Wow. After that, if you want to paint it, just paint whatever like you want, like like I did. And also, if you want to put like something on here, go ahead and do it. Nothing bad might happen, but be careful because these are spiky. And right here, you could put anything.
So cool.
But like the holes I did was this. I put them like right there, and I got like something, and I just put it there. But I just have no idea what is this called. I know it's just metal, and you guys can put like a string or something. Yeah, like a string or something.
Wow.
And you could put that. Fatima, yeah. And I also put hot glue here because this feels so smooth, guys.
Yo quiero jugar con mi niño. Con caroteno mi cubato.
Guys, look at this. Oh, I almost fell down the chair. This, guys.
Ah.
I need more. Okay.
Papi, está tocando la puerta.
A ver, Fátima, ve así. Así ve. Ójalo. Así ve, Ira. Ya, así ve. Ok. Pero fast. Aquí. No, aquí. Aquí adentro.
¿Aquí?
Sí.
Mantico.
No sabes.
Es que quiero chichito.
Los chiquitos no sé. Whoa, guys, that was a close one. Whoa, and it landed. Oh, you're gonna pay for that, Fatih. Guys, look at this. Two. Oh! Fatima.
No see.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna fix this. It just popped off. Guys, and put this somewhere. Guys, I just cut myself. Guys, but put this somewhere safe where you can put it, okay, guys?
Okay.
And guys, be careful because don't cut yourself like I just did. Well, I mean, I didn't cut myself, I almost. So yeah, guys. Guys, but like these, you don't really have to put it. I'm just doing this for the viewers. No, Fatih. A ver, te puedo dar uno. Con este. Mira, con este.
1, 2, go.
Oh, right at the edge.
Why did the water? Why did the water going there? Why did the water going there? Yeah, guys.
Guys, smash that like button because my sister's sick. Smash that like button for she could be okay.
Yeah, but the water car still
Like she throwed up yesterday, and I didn't vlog it because that's gross, guys. Why would I vlog it? Why? And also I couldn't vlog it because she was like the throw up was so close. Like the momento was so close to my phone. So I couldn't grab it, and I also didn't want to vlog. So yeah.
So rápido. Hi guys. For Bill.
That one. Cool.
Misito Millano.
Ay, Fátima, ya. ¿Qué estás diciendo? Estás
si may bisita minana. Yaman manana.
Guys, well, this is not actually a race. This is just if we can make it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think this is it for this video. Subscribe. Like for my sister. Like for my sister. Max D, stop. Max D, stop. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Smash that subscribe button. Bye.